Fun Furniture presents beautiful residential garage door ideas. Let's get started now. Before you start shopping for a new garage door, learn what you should be looking for and get a sense of the vast possibilities this popular home improvement offers. If a worn-out garage door can leave a first-time visitor with a bad impression of your home, the opposite must hold true as well. Upgrading your garage door will enhance the visual appeal not only of the garage, but of the entire exterior. Here are some really great photos that hopefully will give you some inspiration on the direction in which to go to enhance your entire beautiful entrance to your home. The garage door makes a statement, and I think these photos will give you a lot of direction as to which colors or shapes and sizes that you might like to go. So thank you for taking the time out of your day, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.